Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the antutu benchmark comparison between the Realme 7 5G versus the Honor 9X Pro, which has the Kirin 810 processor in this device, and the Realme 7 5G is the also known as the Realme Q2 as well, which has a Dimensity 800U processor. So in this video, we'll be comparing the antutu benchmark score, how well the both phones perform and what's the difference, actual difference between both the phones, how much the difference is there, and which is the best one as well. I'll try to talk everything about this both the process, and let me quickly show you the about settings of both the phones so that you know exactly what variants I'm using currently. So as you can see, Dimensity 800U processor, which is clearly mentioned, and let me quickly show you the about phones from the Realme 9X Pro, and which has a Kirin 810 processor. You can see here Kirin 810. So in this video, I'll be doing the antutu benchmark comparison as I said, and make sure to check the links in description for more in detail reviews about both the phones. And in case if you want to install the Google Play Store as well, there's a video. So try to check the links in description for the playlist. In the playlist, you'll find so many amazing videos for each and every smartphone, which is really good. So all the videos are clubbed together. I think the Realme 7 5G already I have uploaded more than 6 to 7 videos, and more videos are to be coming in the next couple of days. And make sure to follow me regularly, and also do check the links in description for this live wallpaper what I'm using right now, and punch all wallpapers. So there's a playlist available in the links in description. So always try to check the links in description for every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel, and make sure to follow me regularly as well by subscribing. And it is a quick and antutu benchmark glance at both the smartphones. You can see here 3,33,000 versus the 3,19,000, so which is really good in the Realme phone, and which has Q2 or 5G, which is very good. The impressive scores are there in the CPU. There is not much difference. You can see friends, in the CPU there is not much difference, and in the GPU also it's only close to 2000 difference is there in the GPU. You can see here the difference is there, how much. So in the CPU and GPU, there's not much difference is there in this both the phones comparisons. So even in the memory test as well, there's not much difference as well in the memory. So UFS 2.1 and UFS, I think even the Realme 7 should be having 2.1 as well. So both phones are having same kind of speed results in the memory category as well. And this is another in detail review about the data processing and user experience and everything. So these are the numbers, and this is a quick antutu benchmark comparison between both the smartphones. And I hope you like this video, and make sure to check the links in description friends. As I said, always stay tuned. Every day I'll be posting so many different videos on this Realme 7 5G device, so which will help you a lot in terms of decide which phone to buy and why as well. So that is another reason you should know why you are buying the phone. So make sure to check all the videos for the phone, then you can decide to buy the phone. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.